Air strike on playground kills 7 in Ethiopia's Tigray area. Health facility Nairobi. An air strike on a kids' play location killed as a minimum 7 human beings in the capital of Ethiopia's northern Tigray vicinity on Friday, medical officers there said, the first such attack after a 4-month antique ceasefire collapsed this week. The officers stated 3 youngsters had been among the lifeless. However, a federal government spokesman denied any civilian casualties. The air strike on Mekelle passed off 2 days after preventing broke out once more among the countrywide authorities and Tigrayan forces on the border of the Tigray and Amhara areas, shattering the ceasefire. Tigray Television, managed by the regional authorities, blamed the federal government for the strike. No other Navy aircraft operate in Ethiopian airspace. The Ethiopian authorities finally entreated residents of Tigray to stay far away from Navy centers, saying it's supposed to take movements to goal the military forces. Kibram Gebrselassie, leader executive of Ader Hospital, mentioned on Twitter NYSE, TWTR, the sanatorium had received 4 useless, consisting of 2 youngsters, and 9 wounded. He stated the strike had hit a children's playground. Could not independently confirm his account. It changed into no longer clear if there have been any army centers nearby. Federal authorities spokesperson Legesse Tulu mentioned news of civilian casualties become lies and fabricated drama, and accused Tigrayan authorities of dumping body baggage. He denied government strikes hit civilian facilities and mentioned they only focused military websites. Footage posted by using Tigray TV showed a building with the roof blown off, revealing a twisted jumble of slides and emergency people sporting a stretcher from at the back of a damaged purple wall painted with a large butterfly. Torn apart. Fasika Amdeslasi, a healthcare professional at Ader Hospital, said a colleague at Mekelle Hospital informed him it had obtained 3 extra bodies, a mom and her infant and another unidentified man or woman, bringing the entire quantity of lifeless to 7. The bodies delivered to Ader included boy around 10, women and a youngster, he said. Our bodies have been torn apart, he informed. I have visible their bodies myself. The health care provider said that restrictions on scientific supplies coming into Tigray meant the health center become quick of critical elements, together with intravenous fluids, antibiotics and painkillers. Ethiopian Health Minister Leah Tadessa did now not without delay respond to requests for comment on the shortages. A humanitarian supply in Mekelle showed listening to an explosion and anti-aircraft gunfire within the town on Friday. Government airstrikes have previously killed civilians, investigators stated. In January, a drone strike killed 56 human beings and injured 30, along with children, in a camp for displaced humans in Dedebit, in line with witnesses. The government did not reply to requests for remark. War erupted in Tigray in November 2020 and spread to the neighboring regions of Afar and Amhara 12 months in the past. Last November, Tigrayan forces marched in the direction of Addis Ababa, however were returned with the aid of a government offensive. A ceasefire changed into introduced in March after each aspects fought to a stalemate and the government declared a humanitarian truce, allowing badly wished food useful resource into the location. When combating erupted this week, both blamed every other.